Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So Adobe Acrobat includes a powerful redaction tool that allows you to permanently delete confidential text, images, metadata, and other content from PDF documents. This is commonly used for legal documents, contracts, financial records, medical files, and business reports. In this guide, I will show you step by step how to redact a PDF in Adobe Acrobat in 2026, simple and effective. So first thing, open the PDF in Adobe Acrobat, launch Adobe Acrobat, open the PDF containing the information you want to remove, examples, contracts, bank statements, legal documents, employee record, okay, anything. So review the entire documents before beginning redaction. Open the Redact tool, okay, so select all tools, okay, tool and then Redact. Okay, so this opens Acrobat's redaction workspace. The Redact tool is specifically designed for permanent content removal. Okay, so mark text for redaction, like click mark for redaction. Okay, so then highlight the text you want to remove, like for example names, addresses, phone numbers, account numbers, okay, financial information. So the select content or the selected content will be marked for removal. So marking content doesn't immediately delete it. So mark images for redaction, like if you need to remove images, select the image using the Redact tool. The image will be marked just like text. So redaction can remove both text and graphics. Okay, so this is it, guys, how to redact a PDF in Adobe Acrobat. Thank you guys for watching this video and see you guys in the next tutorial.